Hola, clase. Yo soy tu profesora actual y tu profesora virtual. Actual en la clase y también virtual en la computadora. Yo voy a hablar en inglés por unos minutos. So, make sure we're set up for success today. Spanish 2, best case scenario, we've got a notebook. You can do the spiral, you can do the journal, paper in a binder, whatever. But with virtual and actual, virtual, actual, we've got to be organized, we've got to travel light. So to start, a piece of paper is going to be good for today, pen or pencil. I want you to write the date on your paper somewhere. So today would be 9/14. My blue friends, you're going to be my gold friends, you're going to be 9/17. So date, everything is going to be by the date for Spanish. We're going to do a little lesson, a little note. When we finish that, you're going to have this much written down. That's notes in Spanish, because then we take those parts and we build. You're beginners, that's where we're at. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you visually exactly what I'm telling you. So we're doing set 2 now, where I get you ready for your lesson in Spanish. We've got that same date, 9/14 for blue friends, 9/17 for gold friends. We already did set 1, this is set 2. This is where if you're not able to be on Zoom live, moving forward, the video is going to be there recorded. For the first part of school, it's going to be recorded for you, just ready to go, plug and play. You can watch it as a class, you can watch it on Zoom. If you get super into it, you can rewatch it. So, 20 minutes in Spanish. This is new. I've done this always, so when my Mongol, my DSAB friends come on over, this is something you get used to in 9th grade. If you stay in Spanish 9th grade through your senior year, the seniors, everything's in Spanish. The teacher only speaks Spanish, no English. The kids only speak Spanish, there's no English. So I've got 4 years to get you there. Every year we build it up. So this year, 2020, you already saw me moving over the class. I'll do my directions for you in English until we're together all the time and I can act out and you can watch me point. But my teaching and your work is in Spanish this year. Now, my friends will start to go like this. I got you. I'll go slow. We've got pictures. I'm going to point. And the neat thing about Spanish, is in high school, everything you do, you're super smart. You can play a whole piece on an instrument. You can run 5 miles. Spanish is almost a throwback to elementary. The big thing today, like best case scenario, is you wrote 2 short paragraphs about yourself. Also an option, considered the same level today, is for you to finish sentence starters with what you learned in middle school. So, deep breath. For about 15 minutes, probably realistically, I'm going to do the cringy back to school, getting to know me, who I am, where I live. I do have a really cute puppy, so I appreciate that. All in Spanish. I'm going to stop, I'll pause, I'm going to ask you to write some words. And for me to get a sense of who you are, where we're at, you're going to give that back to me at the end. So I'll model it, I'll repeat it. You'll write some stuff down. When you finish class, you can use the notes, done for the day. Boom, we're awesome. So, let's hear some Spanish. Yo necesito tu papel horizontal. Con pluma o tu lápiz. Por favor, escribe tu nombre. Vertical. Yo tengo muchos nombres. Mi nombre original de bebé es Aurora, Aurora, Virginia. Mi apellido es Brannigan Fromm. Yo tengo dos apellidos, dos nombres, Aurora, Virginia, dos apellidos, Brannigan Fromm. Pero, what's pero? P-E-R-O. This is a P-E-R-R-O. Pero is but. Pero yo uso solamente un apellido. Yo uso Brannigan en la escuela. Muchos estudiantes me llaman Bran. En mi papel yo escribo B-R-A-N-N. En tu papel, por favor. Escribe así tu nombre. Y pensar. Me llamo Señora Brannigan. Me llamo Bran, me llamo Aurora, me llamo Aurora Virginia, me llamo Aurora Virginia Brannigan Fromm, me llamo. En tu papel, escribe por favor, me llamo. Throw back to the first day of 7th grade. Dios. Yo soy. En tu papel, escribe yo, space, soy. Yo soy. Yo soy muchas cosas. Yo soy una persona. Yo soy una mamá de 2 hijos. Hijos tremendos. Mis hijos van a Canalview en Spencerport. Yo soy, I am, esposa de Mark. El amor de mi vida. Mi familia, 2 hijos, mi esposo y yo, somos una familia feliz. Yo soy una persona activa. Yo soy una persona ocupada. Muchos eventos, muchos clubes, muchos, no sé, actividades en mi vida. Yo soy también una persona calma, tranquila. Escuela es diferente, ¿no? Muy diferente. Tu profesora no está en la clase. Tu profesora está en la casa. Qué diferente. En tu papel, por favor. Q-U-E. Q-U-E. K. Extraño. E-X. E-X. T-R-A-N with a thing, tilde, O. Qué extraño. K-Q-U-E-E-X-T-R-A-N-U-O. Weird. En tu papel, qué extraño, dash, weird. Qué extraño. Clase, tu profesora se llama Brannigan, señora. Ella es un poco extraña. Un poco extraña. Diferente. La escuela es diferente. Qué extraño. Crédito extra. Usar qué extraño. En clase. Qué extraño. También clase. Junior squad, what's también? Also, use that today too. Crédito extra. También. Yo tengo. En tu papel, por favor. Yo tengo. I have. Yo tengo muchas cosas especiales en mi vida. Yo tengo Un perrito. Oh, tiene 6 meses. Es un pochito. Mi perrito se llama Sunny. Yo, tu profesora virtual, se llama Bran. Tu profesora extra, tu profesora bonus, se llama Señora Hendel. Yo me llamo Bran. Mi perrito se llama Sunny. Como el sol, Sunny. También yo tengo una piscina, 2 hijos, una casa bonita. Qué extraño, ¿no? Qué extraño. What does qué extraño mean? Weird. Qué extraño. Clase, yo vivo en. Yo vivo en. Yo vivo en una casa normal, típica, una casa típica de Spencerport. Yo vivo exactamente en el pueblo. Yo no vivo en Gates. Yo no vivo en Andon. Yo no vivo en Adams Basin. Yo no vivo en Parma. Yo no vivo en Rochester. Yo vivo exactamente en el pueblo, muy cerca de la escuela. 4 minutos en carro de mi casa a la escuela. Yo vivo en. En tu papel, por favor. Vivo en. Live in. Vivo en. En or at. Yo vivo en. Yo vivo con. Yo vivo con. Add that word. En tu papel. Yo vivo con. Mi esposo, señor Mark, el amor de mi vida. Yo vivo con mis 2 hijos, Milo y Pal. Y yo vivo con mi cochito, mi perrito, crédito extra, bonus. ¿Cómo se llama la profesora? ¿Cómo se llama la profesora? Oh, ¿cómo se llama la profesora? Yo, señora Brand. ¿Tu profesora extra? Señora Hendel. ¿Cómo se llama mi perrito? Él se llama Sunny. Parte final. Parte final. Grado 7. Mis amigos de Mangold. Mis amigos de Sartén. Me gusta. ¿Qué es me gusta? En tu papel escribe me gusta. En mi vida extraña. Normalmente, mi PowerPoint es completamente diferente. Yo tengo fotos de vacaciones, yo tengo fotos de viajes, de avión, de viajar, pero qué extraño, completamente diferente. Me gusta caminar con mi perro mucho. Me gusta mucho caminar en el pueblo de Spencerport con señor Mark, el amor de mi vida. Me fascina, me encanta, me gusta mucho la playa de Hamlin. Yo voy mucho en junio, julio, poco de agosto. Yo voy a la playa todos los días. También me gusta mucho leer libros. Durante la cuarentena, yo leí muchísimos libros, muchísimos. Yo no sé el número, pero yo voy a ver en mi Kindle. También la meditación. Yo soy una profesora de cosas diferentes. Profesora de español. Profesora de personas que aprenden inglés. Y también yo soy, con certificación, profesor de meditación. Entonces yo soy calma, tranquila clase. Pausa. Permiso en inglés. That was set 2. Kind of normal, like what I would do in a typical day. Well, typical day, not a día extraño. What does extraño mean? Weird. Typical day, then my next class, we're going to talk about outer space. We'll learn some more words. We'll do some pictures and labels. If you did everything you were supposed to today, you've got me llamo, you've got extraño, yo soy, tengo, vivo en, vivo con, me gusta. Why did I make you do that? To finish our class, so I'm giving you set 3. Until October 30th, I'm going to do this in English. Because I don't know when, there's days I'm here, days I'm there, days you're here, days you're there. Te extraño, clase. Set 3 is directions for how you finish class. When I finish set 3, remote kids and you guys can stay and work or finish this at your leisure before the next class. 2 versions of the same thing. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. I'm going to be your teacher. That's cool. If you're feeling confident, when I did my little speech and I said me llamo, I talked about my dog's name, my kid's name. If you were basically following me, if you can tell me what my name is, you can tell me what your bonus teacher's name is, you can tell me my puppy's name, my husband's name, you know how to say my name is, boom. You're feeling pretty confident. If tango did not throw you off, you're feeling confident. If you knew N, boom, you're here. Now, I'm just going to say, write a paragraph or 2 about yourself, introducing yourself. Do you have some notes to help? Yes, you do. Have you learned a lot of stuff in middle school? Yes, you have. We have amazing teachers in Spanish. You know a lot. So show off. Are you atletico? Are you comico? I want to know this stuff. Do you play baloncesto? Do you play football? Are you extraño? Let me know. If when I was talking, you were kind of like, llamo, what? Spanish, oh, okay, hola, oh. No shame. It's been extraño. It's been weird. I typed up the sentence starters for you. Fill them in. I still get to know you. That's where we go. Bonus teacher is going to tell you this. I'm going to tell you this. It's participation to start. I've got to see where we're at. I've got a plan to move us forward. Spanish is awesome. You're awesome. I'm awesome. It's all awesome. It's extraño. We got this. So Wednesday, everybody's with me. Tomorrow, we learn about outer space. It's been real. Talk soon. Figure out how to turn this off. Bye.